Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. And before proceeding, I would like to tell you people that please subscribe to my channel, because according to YouTube's new guidelines, I will not be able to monetize my videos any further, because I have less than 1,000 subscribers, and these policies are very bad. I also have a link for the petition. Please help me to get more signature on that, so that other small YouTuber can also be benefited. So this video is about about using eBay kleinanzeigen to get your dream apartment. I click on eBay kleinanzeigen. I would like to say that from last 2 times I am getting my house through eBay kleinanzeigen only. So many people say that it is not trustworthy, but it is a real thing. Only thing is that eBay kleinanzeigen is in German, and it is very difficult to find the desired apartment postings. So I will click on Immobilien, and before you see, there are many categories. And you can choose all of them, or according to your location you can use these categories to get the things that you want to buy. So yeah, then we will go forward. I will click on Immobilien. You see, in Immobilien you have a lot of categories again. So for the categories that are useful for you people is Aufzeit or Wege. This is for sharing apartments, and you could also click on Hauser zum Kauf, means this is for buying houses. You can also click on Hauser zur Miete. So here you can rent a house for living. And then again is the category Mietwohnungen, which is the most desired one. This is for apartment. And you see there is a lot of clutter here. There are short-term apartments. There are ad by people who want to who are searching for an apartment. So we will go to refine, and you see I set my location to Munich, and the radius is 75 kilometer. You can reduce or increase the radius. So you see it covers all the areas including Freising, Adding, Dachau, Augsburg, Rosenheim, Starnberg. So if you are searching for an apartment for cheap accommodation, it is a good idea to have a wider radius. And then you can search you can set base rent. So for example, you can search from 300 to 1200. Done. And then you see category Mietwohnungen. You can again go to the other categories, and then you can choose number of rooms. So from 1 to 6 you can choose any. And then you can go to Wohnfläche or area of the apartment. So you can search from 20 to 160 square meter. And then you can choose etage, or the floor of the apartment. And then you can choose the kind of apartment. You can choose the type of heating also. Then I will click on Ausstattung, that is for the specification. So for example, you can search an apartment with Einbauküche or kitchen. So it has many categories. Mobiliert means furnished. Balcon, and terrace, with terrace, bathtub, shower. Guest WC means a small bathroom. And then new building. Altbau means old, Neubau means new, Aufzug means lift, Keller means cellar, and Dachboden means the roof top, and garage, garden. You can choose anything, like you can also choose if pet are allowed or not, or you can choose something that is vegegeeignet or that could be shared. So I click on done. Now and here you see seller type you can select private or commercial. So usually private sellers are the more genuine, or and actually and there is no point of genuinity. Usually you get good offers from private seller, and commercial one are usually immobilian firms or the real estate firms. So here you see, and ad types, this is the most important category. Here you see there are 3 categories: offered and wanted. Offered and wanted is chosen by default, and offered means the ad posting by the landlords, and wanted is the ad posting by by the people who are searching their apartment. You can order this by date, price and distance. And now we are done. We will click on done, and you see many apartment ads. So I would like to say that if you click on these apartment, you see that a small description that is in German mostly, and sometimes these people, they ask you to contact in WhatsApp or any other way. If this is so, it is certainly is fake apartment posting or they scam. So you should be careful about that. You should click on that, and there are usually 2 options: call and message. So when you click on call, you get the telephone number of the person who posted the ad, and if you click on message, you are directed to messenger, and there you can give your telephone number and the details, and write a small message. I would like to suggest you all that you should try to write in German, because most of the landlords don't have any knowledge of English. So it's not about their negative attitude, it's about it's about the convenience, and German is their first language, so it is easy to get through this way. Okay, then I am done. Here you see you have many offers, so you can search anything around your working area, or anything around your institution, and then you can go forward. Now I would like to tell you all that I wish you all best of luck. You can Google Translate every time, and you are free to contact me. Please comment on my YouTube channel, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Another thing I wanted to remind you is that please subscribe to my channel, because I need 1,000 subscribers urgently, and it takes a lot to create YouTube channel that I created. So please help me to save my dream. Have a nice day and best of luck. Bye bye.